This is countersinking without burrs at all. Punching, cutting, chamfering by servo motor. Here is marking. Recommend this automatic hinge making machine to you. It's incredibly powerful and can automatically perform a series of operations like punching, cutting, countersinking, and marking. With it, your work efficiency will be significantly improved, and the precision is extremely high. You'll never have to worry about those tedious processes again. If you want to boost production capacity and ensure quality, don't miss out. Click the WhatsApp link to check out the discount.